Good morning, Dominic Kirchner here with Hampden Homebuyers, and I'm super excited to be here with you this morning. We are doing a first for Hampden Homebuyers. We've done everything. We've renovated houses, we've built houses, we've done additions, we've gutted buildings out down to the stud, but we have never before torn a house down completely. So that is what we're doing today here at 264 Breckenridge Street in Palmer, Mass. Here at Breckenridge, they're going to be taking this building down pretty quickly. It was built in 1924, but it's seen better days. Actually, it's seen its last day now, unfortunately. The whole structure is in horrible shape. There's no way to fix it, no way to salvage it. But now we're gonna be making a better house, a brand new house. Over 2,000 square feet, 4-bedroom, 2-car garage. That's what's gonna go here instead of this under 800 square foot dilapidated building. Everybody in the neighborhood's gonna be super excited. We're excited, and I'm excited for you guys to see the progress as we go. So we've had a long journey in this progress of Breckenridge, and I and our team are super excited to be showing you what this old dilapidated house used to look like to now our finished, beautiful product. Brand new construction house, over 2,000 square feet, 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, beautiful kitchen. You're gonna love it. I'm excited for you guys to come inside and see what we have. We love the way that this house came out. The quality, the craftsmanship, the finished product just looks amazing. Our contractors, electricians, plumbers, everybody who worked on here really took it up to the next level, and we are thankful to them for doing that. At Hampden Homebuyers, we don't work with banks and financial institutions. We work with private investors, and our investors love working with us. So if you've ever thought about investing in real estate, or if you have any questions about real estate investing, reach out to us and we'd love to talk to you.